you're friendly. You're friendly. I'm just gonna get inside here, and then we can go together with all my friends. Woohoo! Hey, what the? I thought I was dead. Hey, Scooby. Who's the good boy? Who's the good boy? Oh, I guess I'll come with you then. Hey, Mario, wait up for me. Put you inside the hood. Okay, Mario, you come with him. Yeah, it's time to go on an adventure. But first... Sick 'em, boy. Oh, what happened? Oh. 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 Sick 'em, boy. Mario! Wow, thanks, Scooby. You just saved us. Yeah, woohoo! Yeah. Yeah, we did it! Woohoo! Okay, time to get the final pose. Okay, we'll put Scooby, you go next to Stitch. You guys go next to Stitch. And I will be taking the photo. Okay. Smile. Cheese. Cheese. Okay, ready? Oh no, not this again. Okay, fine. I'll move the Twizzler out of the way. Come on, Twizzler. You gotta come with me. Ah. Come on, Twizzler. Oh, poor Mario. Okay, give him a Bowser spin throw. Okay. Yeah, I did it. Woohoo! I'm all right. Lipsico! Woohoo! Oh, you know what seems fun? I think I should play some Mario Baseball with that controller over there. Woo!